Did Adobe just move the most dangerous button in Adobe Illustrator? Normally, if I close a document without saving, I get this pop-up, and it says don't save, cancel, or save. And it makes sense because don't save is on the far left and save is on the far right. So you're not really going to mix the two up, and you got cancel in between. So maybe you slip and you hit cancel, you're okay. You can still go back. Then you can hit don't save or save accordingly. Now in the new Adobe Illustrator Beta, where they usually test new features that they're going to put into the full build, hopefully they don't make this permanent. If I go to close my document, for some reason, they've moved don't save from the left to the middle, which doesn't seem like that big of a deal. But don't save and save are now a couple pixels apart. I move quick, I don't know about you, but I could see myself clicking this and quickly going over to hit save and accidentally hitting don't save. I do my best to hit Command S or Control S on a PC to save first, so I don't make these mistakes, but it feels like an accident waiting to happen. I think I like the old version better. What about you? Let me know in the comments. Is this a glitch, or is this a permanent change that Adobe Illustrator is making? Guess we'll see.